Meet Collaborate, the new feature in ioChem-BD designed to make teamwork simple and efficient. With Collaborate, research groups can share projects, assign permissions, and build the research together, while keeping everything organized in one place. Where to find it? You can access Collaborate in the Create module. In the main menu, you'll see 4 tabs: My Workspace, Collaborate, Search, and Reports. Inside My Workspace, you'll find all the projects you are involved in. The list is organized in a clear, intuitive structure showing project and calculation names, type of calculation, a shared icon identifying shared folders, the DOI for your published data, creation date, and an edit option. This layout helps you quickly understand each project, who shared it, and how the calculations are organized. How to share your own project? Sharing a project is straightforward. Open My Workspace. Select the project you want to share. Click the Share button, located at the bottom right of the screen. Choose the Users group. Select the appropriate permission level, and confirm your changes. Once you save, the project becomes immediately available in the Collaborators tab. Working inside a shared project. Whenever someone shares a project with you, it appears automatically in your Collaborate tab. From there you can open the shared project, browse its calculations, view metadata and details, and if you have permission, add new calculations or edit existing content. Every update you make is visible to the entire team right away, ensuring that everyone stays aligned and the workflow remains consistent. The Collaborate feature brings clarity, structure, and simplicity to team-based computational research. Share projects, define access levels, and build scientific data together, all within ioChem-BD Create. Start using Collaborate and make teamwork seamless.